Okay, yesterday night a student DM me these questions and asked me how to solve it. So I decided to make this video so that everyone know how to solve this kind of questions. So the question is, given that p power q equals to 5 power q equals to 15 power r. So we are asked to express r in terms of p and q. So we are given 3 power p equals to 5 power q equals to 15 power r. Okay, express r in terms of p and q. So we need to remove these 3, 5, and 15. So since 3 of these equation is equal, so I can say that I'll give it become a k. So this k is something that I give these equations. So in the end, I will remove the k. Right? So from here, we can say that 3p, 3 power p is equal to k. Isn't it? Then 5q, 5 power q is equal to k. And then 15 power r is equal to k. Alright? So I add log on both left hand side and right hand side. So it will become p log 3 log k, and this will become q log 5 equals to log k, and this will become r log 15 equals to log k. Alright, then we rearrange it. We make p, q, r the subject. Then we will get p equals to log k over log 3. Then this will become q equals to log k over log 5. And finally, the r will be equals to log k over log 15. Alright, so we are given 3, 5, and 15. So what are the relations? So 3 multiplied 5 is equal to 15, isn't it? So the r can be equals to log k over log 3 plus log 5. Okay, so how do I get log 3 and log 5? Okay, so let me explain here. So log 5, log 15 is equal to log 3 multiplied 5, right? So in log rules, we can, this log 3 multiplied 5, we can rewrite it into log 3 plus log 5. So that's why log 15 is equals to log 3 plus log 5. Okay, so I'm not going all the way back to all the basics. So I'm assuming you all know the basics. So I just solve the questions for you. Alright? So now that we got this, r is equal to k over log 3 plus log 5. Okay, so how do we remove log k? How do we remove log 3? How do we remove log 5? So this is our question now. So focus on this box. Alright, so we can do it this way. We turn it upside down, okay? So this will become 1 over r equals to log 3 plus log 5 over log k. So why do I need to turn it upside down? It is because the original one, the one in the black color box, the denominator, we have log 3 plus log 5. So we can't really separate it. So if we turn it upside down, the denominator only left with log k. So we can rewrite this one into log 3 over log k. Sorry. Log 3 over log k plus log 5 over log k. Isn't it? Alright, the reason why we need to change to log 3 over log k plus log 5 over log k is because this part. Okay, we know that log k over log 3 is equals to p, log k over log 5 is equals to q. So let's compare this one. Log 3 over log k. Log 3 over log k is this one. We just turn it upside down, right? So we can say that r is equals to 1 over r is equals to 1 over p plus log 5 over log k is here. This one, isn't it? So we can say that log 5 over log k is equals to 1 over q. Right? So we are asked to express r in terms of p and q. So this is 1 over r in terms of 1 over p and 1 over q. So we need to change it a bit. Okay, we turn it upside down again. So what we get is, before we turning it, we need to make 1 over p plus 1 over q into one single term. Meaning, they need to have a common denominator. So the common denominator will be p plus q over, sorry, not p plus q, it's pq. pq over p plus q. Right? When we turn it upside down, it will become r is equals to p plus q, pq over p plus q. So by doing this, we eliminate 3, 5, 15 and the k that we give it on the first place. So the answer is r is equals to pq over p plus q. Right? So if you have any partial questions regarding in MS, so please feel free to DM me on your questions so that everyone can learn from it. So that's all for now. I'll see you next time.